everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to link your Bitget wallet to the Bitget exchange. Now, linking your Bitget wallet to the Bitget exchange involves connecting your on-chain wallet to your exchange account, typically for seamless transfers or trading. Here's the general process. It's important to understand the distinction. Now, Bitget wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have full control of your private keys, while Bitget exchange is a centralized exchange where Bitget holds custody of your assets. The linking predominantly refers to actions like depositing crypto from your Bitget wallet into your Bitget exchange account or using Wallet Connect features on some exchanges. Now, all you need to do is just log into your Bitget exchange account, navigate to the assets or wallet section, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, generate a deposit address provided by the exchange. Now, just copy this deposit address. Then you need to open your Bitget wallet app, select the cryptocurrency you want to send, tap the send or transfer option, paste the deposit address you copied from the Bitget exchange, and then enter the amount you want to send. Then confirm the transaction. Now, some exchanges use Wallet Connect functions that allow for a direct connection to a wallet without having to copy and paste large wallet addresses. If Bitget Exchange uses this feature, then that should also be an option. Now, here's some important considerations. Always double check the deposit address to ensure it's correct. Sending crypto to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. I need to make sure the network you're using to send and receive crypto is comparable with both your Bitget wallet and your Bitget exchange account. You also need to be cautious of phishing attempts. Always verify that you're using the official Bitget apps and website. Be aware of any transaction fee associated with sending crypto from your Bitget wallet or depositing it into the Bitget exchange account. Essentially, you facilitate interaction by transferring funds from your wallet to your exchange deposit addresses. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.